Hi, my name is Maria Carmo, and today I'll help you how to set up your node factory in the Hypercycle network. But if you need help how to buy Hypercycle token, how to buy Hypercycle node license, how to buy a AI box, please check the link in the description. And if you need any help, ask in the comments. I'll see you soon. Hope you like this tutorial. I also needed to do a disclaimer, as I do have some Hypercycle token in nodes, and I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your Dyor. First of all, you need in your wallet Ether to pay the fees, USDC to pay the tiling, Hypercycle token to merge to your license. So before you start everything, make sure you have all those ones on your wallet. If you don't have a license, you come over here, Nodemarket.io, and you can buy your node license. One node is one price. As you go on, the price changed and get a little bit cheaper. The link does be in the description below. Connect your wallet. Your wallet is connected. Here is a little bit of explanation, the level of the license. Level 10 is connected to one node. Level 19 is connected to 512 nodes and require this amount of token. Here I go to the top of the site and convert. I'll come to this page, so I will convert HyPC to CHIPC. So I go to approve, connecting wallet to sign the transaction, and now I have one CHIPC here to sign. So I go to sign. Let's come back to the Node Factory wizard. Here in Node Factory Creation wizard, you look for the license you want to marry with your tokens. Go next. Approve. We're gonna approve the marriage. Now it's approved and everything's fine. Go next. Here's something about ownership. The majority of the time we just skip it. Now we're gonna achieve the tiling. Deploy with HTS. Selecting the tiling. Here you need to pay a little bit of attention because sometimes there's no more tillers available, so you need to go to the next and the next one. This time the one node and the two nodes were busy, so I did it in the third one. But you also need to pay attention if you did it, let's say last week, and you're going to do again and use the same node, you're just undoing what you did before. You need to pay attention here if you are creating more than one node factory. So I just go next, and now I'm going to start the tiling, sign, and just move forward. Create, next, add a message. Tiling is complete. Now your node factory is created because now you have the voting power, but also you got heartbeats over here. All the best with your business, and I see you soon. Thank you. Please like and share and subscribe.